Hey friends, today we are going to decode multi-syllable words using a specific pattern. We are going to start by writing the words rapid and music. Now when I mean writing, I just mean I was writing them on my whiteboard up here. You don't have to do any of the writing. For now, I'm going to circle the P in rapid, and then I'm going to circle the S in music. And today we are going to work with two-syllable words that have one consonant in the middle. Remember, our consonants are all of our letters that are not the vowels A, E, I, O, and U. The way we divide these kinds of words into syllables are going to depend on how we pronounce the word. For example, let's look at the word rapid. Rapid has one consonant in the middle. I am going to cover the middle after our consonant P. The consonant in the middle gets covered. Now, if I say the sound R-A, now it says ray. Well, do we know that that's how the word is pronounced? Rape-id? No, that does not sound right. So I'm going to uncover the word, and now I'm going to use the whole word and cover up the last two letters. Now let's sound it out. Rap-id. Does that sound better? Rap-id. Yes, rapid means quickly or fast. That's one of the rules. The next type of rule has to do with covering a different part of the word. So let's take a look at the word music. Ready? This time, I'm going to cover any letter after the vowel, the first vowel, which is our U. Ready? Now I'm going to pronounce it as a long vowel, just like we did in the first one, but that didn't work. Let's see if it works for this one. Now I have the sound U. Oh, wait a minute. Mu does go with music. Therefore, I can chunk my two-syllable word into these two syllables. Music. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Using the words basic and never, we are going to follow that same pattern. I'm going to cover the last part of the word basic. So let's see if A is a long vowel. Basic. Whoops. Basic. Is A a long vowel? Yes. So in this instance, it works. Now let's take a look at the word never. Do you notice how after the second consonant, I chunked the word never. So after the first vowel, the word isn't pronounced never. So the word has to get chunked after the second consonant. So in this case, I'm going to chunk the word never. Let me show you what I'm talking about with some rules. When we have a long vowel in the beginning of the word, the vowel is going to end our first syllable. So that's where we're going to break the word apart. If the first vowel in the word is a short vowel, a, I, and u, the consonant is going to end our first syllable. So in that instance, we're not going to break the word apart into a vowel. We're going to break it apart after the first consonant, which is any letter that is not the vowel. All right, let's try. We have a few words here that we're going to practice with. We have tulip, salad, medal, and broken. All right, ready? Let's see how I broke apart these words. I broke apart tulip after the first vowel because it's a long vowel. T, oo, lip. It did not say t, did it? It said tulip. The word salad was broken apart after the consonant because A in salad is a short vowel. Alid, salad. See how that one worked? The same thing with the word medal. You hear the sound in medal? And lastly, the O in broken says its name. So therefore, it is a long vowel. Bro, I hear that O, kin. So I split it after that first long vowel. Broken. See if we can go back and chunk these words. Tulip, salad, medal, and broken. Great job. Now you're going to show what you know by completing page 80 in your Readers and Writers Journal. If you needed a little bit more support or you feel like you need to watch this video again, feel free to review this video with your learning guide. Great job today, friends.